I wanted to ask for your permission to go on a date.
With who?
His name is Nick.
And how well do you know this Nick guy?
I met him through a mutual friend about a month ago.
You have to introduce him first. Oh, your father was in the bathroom when he came in, so he's not seen him yet.
I hope he likes him.
Of course, I'm sure he will. All he wants is for you to be happy and safe.
Occupied? By who? I mean, what?
Babes, who's there?
Hey.
I'm sorry.
Listen, you want to add my daughter to your harem, eh? C'est n'est pas possible. Not on my watch. It's not going to happen.
We can make this simple. I can leave if you want me to.
No. We have to think of something better. Now sit down.
You're looking good. Oh yeah. I told you your father would like him.
No, not exactly yet. Still under consideration. I have a plan. Why don't you have your date here in this house?
What?
Yes, I'm going to provide everything you need right here in this house.
Dad, you can't be serious.
What kind of a man will stand up his date like this? Huh? Running away, nobody tell no do.
Everybody hustle.
Love. Romance. Oh, dog. Nick!
Oh, it smells amazing. Thank you very much, Auntie Grace. You are such a rare peach, Auntie.
Peach, thanks. But Auntie, no, I'm not that old yet.
It smells good.
Yep.
Anyone can drive on straight roads, but it takes an expert to handle the curves.
Auntie Grace, no. Then I guess some are born natural drivers at heart.
This year is a good morning. Nice smells. I hope breakfast is ready. I can't wait.
I'm sorry you have to wait for a bit. I'm just about to fry another batch.
Then who is in there?
Good morning, sir. You married a great cook, sir.
No, I'm okay. Thanks. Thank you very much. Don't worry. Grace, let me see for a minute, okay? Let me see for a minute.
What now?
I'm very, very disappointed in you. I thought you were a better mother.
Oh, is it about Nick?
Yes, of course. I mean, how can you give your daughter out so cheaply? Did that boy sleep here?
What's wrong with that? Would you rather he took her somewhere else?
Hey, I died. So you supervise their fornication?
Can call it whatever.
Remember, you wouldn't let me touch you until after the knocking.
Look, Kofi, be real. Times have changed.
Oh, so what was good for you is not good for your daughter?
You want her to lose him? Nowadays, the girls are giving it out left, right, center. You know these things more than I do. So don't come and preach to me about morality this morning. Your hands have swelled, you know. Look, if you're not hungry, I am.
Grace, Mimi, your daughter's welfare is what we are talking about here.
Whatever.
Okay, you don't do this. I love my daughter.
What is it? You're making too much noise.
No, I was looking for Mimi. Where's Jojo?
He must have gone out to play soccer. I'm sure you'll come back for lunch. It's almost ready.
Okay. Mimi! Mimi!
Yes, Daddy.
Are you alright?
Yes, Daddy, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, anyway, why don't you take a ride with me to get ice cream or something?
Thanks, Dad. But I've got everything I need right here.
Indeed. Oi! Your mommy needs help in the kitchen. Now!
Okay, just...
Now! Mimi, now! No, come on.
Yo, Daddy, you want to... Daddy, Mommy says the food is ready and she didn't need any help.
Okay, then let's go for lunch.
Kofi, stop disturbing the girl. Ah.
What have I done? I've done nothing. Sit down. I'm enjoying the food.
Hello. Sit down. Sit down. Wait. My dear.
This is fit for a king. I am famished.
Eat, my king. It's all yours. It's all yours. Here, let me see.
Dad, are you alright?
I have added with this circus. I lost appetite.
Dad.
I'm going for a walk. I have to clear my head of some unpleasant images. Don't worry, I'll be okay.
Isn't it too hot for a walk, sir?
Let him go. Kofi doesn't play with his fireworks, so. Darling, get her some yogurt on your way back. Would you like some yogurt after your fruit? Eat, my dear. Eat. You need the energy. Hey, Mimi, eat. Eat. You need the energy. Eat, my dear. You have work to do. Eat. Isn't it? I'll give you more. Hey, it's for me, my king.
Thank you. Eureka!
Now where were your papa?
Midlife crisis.
Now Abu Abe no.
You don't know. Go check Google or Wikipedia.
Why don't you just answer the call? It might be something serious, you know.
Okay. I'm so sorry about that. I thought you were serious about it. I'm good.
need to pay me in advance though. Alright, sure. Okay, let me know when you need me. Alright. Bye. I'm so sorry, okay?
It's okay.
It's just that brother of mine again. He's asking me for money. This time, it's a good news though. He's gotten a scholarship to study outside. I'm so happy for him. All I have to do now is pay his plane ticket.
Plane ticket? Don't worry, I'll take care of that.
Oh, aren't you a darling? You're so sweet.
Where's the gentleman? Nick, I mean.
Did you expect to come and meet him here after your jealous fit?
I would like to take you to shopping. To make up for my gentlemanly behavior. What do you think? Yes, and I also apologize to him anytime I see him.
Oh, Daddy, thank you.
You powerful stallion. So when am I seeing you again?
Soon. Very soon. But unfortunately, I have to rush to the office now. I'll call you after work.
Okay. I'll keep you on that.
Not you.
I'm waiting. F for fail. Yes, I don't use it though. Hey. Really? You have? That was fast. So, what do you want me to do? Okay. Can do. Low down dirty, huh? Alright. Seems today's my lucky day. Enjoying your cake, baby. I miss pampering you, you know.
Come on.
Why do you still have your glasses on? I want to see your eyes. Yeah, you look okay like that.
Oh, don't worry, you've not seen nothing yet.
Who is that?
Oh, it's the weather prompt. It's prompting us it's going to be crowded today.
Hey, then let's hurry up and go.
Don't worry, not that fast. We have to get to the ice cream joint.
Really?
I'm spoiling you. Today is your day. Don't worry. What?
Ah! I'm going to teach this bastard a lesson. Today, I'll...
Sucker punch.
Hey, and I'll give you...
Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody.
Everybody.
Think you hold somebody.
Hold somebody.
Drink and jolly.
Yeah.
Tell me how you feeling.
How you feeling?
Is it sexual healing?
Sexual healing.
Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go. Kolo.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you never see.
Make her enter, make her go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through way. So make a boss a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, on fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know, say Senadi never expire. Miss Polo. Uh-huh. Yeah, baby. Miss Polo.
Somebody enter.
Palm wine. Shit, yeah. Young crab. Time to start now in just a